Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you Mi 10i 5G special features. Okay, for special features just go to settings, and in settings slide down, and you can see special features. Just tap on it and you can see game turbo, video toolbox, floating window, second space, and light mode. Okay, if we go in game turbo, you can see this is for gaming. This is the game boost mode. Here you can see game turbo, improve your gaming experience and remove edit games from home screen. So guys, this is for gaming. Here you can see this is for gaming. Okay, and this is the video toolbox. Okay, special effects and features for video playback. Okay, and this is the video toolbox shortcut, and this is the shortcut location. You can edit it left or right, and this is the manage video applications, and this is the floating window. Okay guys, this is the floating window feature in this phone. Just hold and float it like this. This is really helpful feature. Here you can see, and this is the second space. Okay, this is the second space in this phone. Just turn on second space, set designated screen lock for second space, separate and secure your data. So second space is also available in this phone. And this is the light mode. Okay, and if we turn on the light mode, so you can see this is the light mode. Again, go in special features, go to light mode and turn off the light mode. So guys, this is the special features in Mi 10i 5G smartphones. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.